Welcome to Universal's Endless Summer Resort, Dockside. Let's take a full tour, let's check it out, and have some fun. If you're planning a trip to Orlando and you want to visit Universal Studios parks, well, you gotta stay at one of their resorts, and the Universal Endless Summer Resort Dockside is a great choice. So let's take a full tour, let's check it out, and let me show you why. So some perks at staying on property here at Universal is, number one, you get into the parks an hour early. So why would you not? Number two, there's free bus transportation to any of the Universal parks that you want to go to. And then number three, my favorite, the Universal Studios store. What a great place to grab some fun on your way out. The lobby area is not just beautiful, but it's functional. There's a lot going on here, from checking in to shopping to grabbing a Starbucks coffee or hanging out and visiting some of the characters. This place is really awesome. Now, the marketplace has tons of seating and food options. Grab and go. Whatever you want, take it, get it, and go. Or made to order food. There's some great items there. Did you know you can have a pizza delivered to your room? Well, you sure can. Pretty cool, right? I'm always excited about the sweets and the drink options. I love they have the Coke Freestyle machine, so you can grab the cup and you can reuse that over and over and over again. Also, coffee 24 hours a day. It's just amazing. Hey you, watching our video, we appreciate you. Thank you so much. While you're at it, give us a big thumbs up. Let us know how we're doing in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Dockside offers a ton of features: a lobby bar, a pool bar, a full gym, cafe, Starbucks. I told you about the pizza delivery, right? Complimentary Wi-Fi, free bus transportation, an amazing pool. There's a gym, there's a game room, a Universal store, which I love, it's one of my favorites, and a vacation planner and a car rental. So there's so much going on here, you don't need to go anywhere else. What's your top 3 fun items that you love to do every time you visit Universal? For me, number 1, Harry Potter. Number 2, Jurassic Park. And number 3, the Kong ride. I can't get enough of it. Universal's Endless Summer Resorts, Surfside and Dockside, are very centrally located in the Universal family here on International Drive in Orlando. Did you know you can see Volcano Bay from here? Well, you have to go out to the road and take a look, but you can see it, especially if you have a top room. The number 1 favorite place here at Dockside is the pool. The pool is amazing. They have a pool bar there for you, plenty of seating. I love the decor. They really did a great job here. So book an extra day or two and have a pool day. Have you visited Surfside or Dockside before? If so, what did you love about it? Did you know we have a full tour video for Surfside as well? So check out our channel, don't forget to subscribe, and watch that video. We've come to the end of the video, but it's really not the end. Book a trip, get your butt to Orlando, visit Dockside, and have a blast. Thanks for watching.